Hello everyone, this is Steve with the free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is June 22nd and I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis for silver. This is silver's 4-hour chart, and in review of last week's video, I had shown you this rising wedge pattern. It is a negative pattern and silver did barely break it to the downside. You could call it confirmed, but in my point of view, confirmed rising wedge would show a asset price continually dropping, not rising. So I wouldn't call the pattern confirmed technically, in my point of view. But I did state last week that there isn't a whole lot of negatives for silver right now. The Fed's accommodative, and that's what they came out and said in their statement, that they may lower rates if indicators warrant it, which I think they're really waiting until the July jobs report comes out early next month, or excuse me, June jobs report comes out early in July. Also, we have the trade war going on. If that affects the economy, more so than what it already has, then clearly the Fed will drop rates. Also, the yield curve. If the yield curve gets inverted or comes closer to it than what it is, that will also most likely cause the Fed to lower rates. As well as other reasons for silver's move higher is the trade war, as I just stated, and also Iran. Iran's a big issue, the reason why we saw silver and gold jump last week. We had the prospects of a serious response to their downing of a drone on Thursday night. That was this movement here on the 20th. And then when the news came out early Friday that we weren't going to bomb Iran, then the price of silver and gold consolidated in price and started to fall. Now, it really matters in the news what happens. This week we have the G20 happening, and the misnomers, whatever's going to happen between us and Iran. Clearly, if they escalate anything, if they fire at us anymore, or clearly if they take the life of a service man or woman, then we're really going to see some bombs dropping in somewhere in Iran. Hopefully things don't escalate to that level, but we'll really have to see where things go. But if they do, we'll likely see silver move above 16. But for the outlook for silver on my charts, I'm showing a kind of a small, medium size negative pattern. It's a rising wedge pattern. It could become, if silver continues to trade inside of it, it could become a very large pattern, but it really matters on fundamentals right now are leading the market. Technical analysis is taking a back seat, so really it matters in what happens in the news. But this is a negative pattern, and the price of silver is expected to fall below it. We do have 15.15 as support, and I really would be surprised if silver drops below $15 period next week, and we'll really have to see what happens in the news to find out where it's going to go after that. So I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.